Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. You've probably seen this cape before in my True Blood video, but I figured we can get a little more use out of it with this one. So if you haven't already figured it out, today's video is going to be 50 vampire crochet ideas. Most of these are beginner friendly. A couple of them are going to be more advanced or like intermediate level, but I have a little bit of something for everyone. We've also got free and paid, and as always, they'll be tagged on the screen so you'll know whether or not you're spending money before you even click the link. As always, if any of these are yours and you don't want them in this video, DM me or shoot me a quick email and I will take them out. As always, everything I'm showing you is going to be linked in the description box below, linked in the order that I'm showing it to you, to a free or paid written or video tutorial so you can make everything that I'm showing you. Now, we've got a couple. Princess is trying to like sit on my lap and also eat the mic cord. Oh, you can see her. Yep, this is her. I also have my window open today, so if you hear the sounds of children laughing or birds chirping, it's because my window's open and it's just too nice to close the window today. Plus, Alice is really enjoying the breeze and I'm enjoying the breeze, so. Also, I look very pale, which is perfect for this video, to be honest. All right, what was I saying? Oh, our categories. I didn't list them out. So we've got wearables, accessories, tapestry, and decor. So 4 categories for today's video. Before we jump into wearables, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, okay? If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, okay? I love you, Okay, first category, wearables. How do vampires do this? I keep sitting on my cape. We have the Briar bodice, very cute. We've got this cape, which is a little like more beginner and less vintage or Victorian. This cape is a Victorian cape. It's kind of giving bridal, but very cute. This is a skull apron. We also have this really nice, like, relaxing robe. And then this other robe that's more so like an add-on, kind of like a cardigan, but not a full cardigan. And then we've got crochet bell sleeve shrug. And this really comfy looking cardigan. I'm closing the window. There's a very loud bird squawking, and I don't know if the mic's picking it up. Okay, we're back. So, very comfy cardigan. I love the color change in this one. Super cute. And then this one is a misty shrug. And then we have the spiderweb skirt. Very cute. Honestly, a lot of chaining, it looks like. A lot of chaining in that one. This one's an evening enchantment. It's a vintage pattern, but I thought it was very fun. This one would be more for my advanced crocheters because it's a vintage pattern, and a lot of the time these vintage ones are kind of hard to read, so that one I wouldn't suggest for a beginner. And then this one is our bat sleeve, or you can make this night kimono. Very cute. And then this one's really cool. It looks like it's going to take a long time, but it's the Arachne's coat. I'm probably saying that wrong, but it's a coat. It's very cute. It looks like a long project. So if you're looking for one to kind of like buckle in on, that one's for you. This is the Morticia dress, which I don't know why I have it marked. I have it marked as paid in here, but it is free. This one is a free video tutorial that I've actually done before. I have a whole crochet with me if you're like hesitant to start the process and you don't know if it's going to be good or how much yarn to buy. You can watch my crochet with me, but this is a beautiful dress. I love the way it turned out, so I will always recommend this every chance I get. And then this is just a book of patterns, so there's multiple patterns in this. When I was looking for patterns, I ran across this, and it's just a book. Like if you want a physical book of patterns, that's for you. There's like 24 I think in that. And then this is a floral lace cardigan free video tutorial. It's whimsigoth, but I feel like it's very vampire. I don't know. It's vampire. It's giving vampire. The next category I have is accessories. All right, so for accessories, as you can tell, like the type of vampires we're going for are kind of like Victorian Gothic vampire style. Not really like modern vampire. I meant modern vampire. Like we're not doing like True Blood vampire or Vampire Diary vampire. We're doing like Victorian vampire. Think like Drusilla from Buffy, like that, okay? We have this petal choker. We have this choker which has like ribbon in it, very cool. This one's another choker with like a smaller, thinner ribbon pattern with beads. And then these are some lace gloves, or like, I guess they're wristlets, or yeah, what would they be? I don't know. I wouldn't call them lace gloves. And then this is a choker. You can add a little charm to the front if you want. And then we have these boot. Why did I say book? Why is it tight? I have like messed up this. Boot cuffs. Girl, get it together. Boot cuffs. So these are not like leg warmers. They don't go all the way down to your ankle, or like socks that cover your whole foot. This is literally just for the part that's sticking out of the boot. So if you're anything like me and you get hot really easily and you don't like wearing leg warmers or like super long socks because you just get overheated, then this might be like a good solution for you. And then this is a choker, but kind of in the style of like a triangle or dipping down, unless of just like a choker around your neck kind of vibe. And then this finger lace. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Where were we? Finger lace. This one's free. Super cute and simple. Quick one too. I almost crocheted those for this video, but I forgot, and then it was time to film and I was like, oh no, I was gonna make those and I didn't, so here we are. I feel like I'm always doing that. I'm always picking like projects that I'm gonna make for the sake of the video or to wear in the video, and then I never get around to doing them, and then before I know it, it's time to film and I ran out of time. So I need to get better at doing that, because I know it's fun when I have like a themed crochet thing on. Today I just have my cape, but I'm trying to get as many uses of this cape as I possibly can. So anyway, this link will take you to 11 crochet chokers, and I did click on it. It's not scammy. All the links I give you guys, I click on. So like if they're scams or viruses, I would get them first. So it's not a scam. I looked through it. It's someone blogged and put together 11 chokers together. So instead of listing every single 11 of them, I'm just going to give you that link so you can go look at those. And then our next category we have is tapestries. I'm a tapestry fan. Also, I'm looking for a project to make right now. Like, I don't have any projects that I'm currently in the works for, and I do want to do a crochet with me very soon. So I am on the hunt for a project, and I'm actually thinking of doing one from this video. I just don't know which one. So if you guys want me to do one from this video, comment down below which one you want me to do. Either the number or the name or the link, and that's probably what I'm going to do in my next crochet with me. So for the tapestries, we've got the Addams Family sign. We gladly feast on those who would subdue us. Very cute. This, I thought it like applied for fangs. Thought it applied for vampires as well. Jesus. Okay, and then this is just fangs. I think that's why I said fangs, because that one was coming up. And then we have a simple rose coffin. Again, this one's really good if you've never tapestry crocheted before. You need a small project to start with. And then this one's Fangs in Fiction. Very cute as a wall hanging, especially if you're a reader. And this one's a detailed Twilight. I also have this one, Please Don't Summon Demons in the Bathroom. Cute little bathroom sign. And then if that other Twilight tapestry was a little too detailed for you and you're more of a beginner, I've got this one. It's a little simpler. Then this is a fang pillow. Then we have a bat fillet, which can also be used as a tapestry, which is why it's in the tapestry category, because you can use fillet for tapestry as well, but if you want to use it as fillet, you can. And then this is a sleeping bat, sleeping upside down. And then we've got a Sweet Dreams Victorian style sign or wall hanging. We've got a crow, super cute. And then I love this bat one with like the wings out. It kind of reminds me of Stardew Valley, just the way it's like pixeled. And then this one's a little more intricate, this red and white 4-bat tapestry, super cute. And then this one is like the other rose one, but it's in black and white if you didn't want one that was red. They're basically the same thing. And then that was my mistake. And then this one is a detailed bat. So if you're a bat fan and you kind of want more than just the silhouette of a bat, that one's for you. Our next and last category is decor. For decor, this is a blanket, but in my mind, blankets are decor because most of the time you like drape them over something or they're out in your living room. Also, I didn't want to make a miscellaneous category for like one pattern, so it's in the decor. This is a bat blanket. It's mosaic crocheting, which, by the way, when I talked about doing a crochet with me video, I think I want to try mosaic crochet because I haven't done mosaic crochet before, and I saw someone do it on TikTok and it looks really fun, so I think I'm gonna do it. I just don't know what mosaic pattern to do. So if you guys know one I should try, comment it. Even if it's not in this video, just like something that comes to mind you want me to try out, comment it and I'll do it for my next video, or an upcoming video. I don't know. This one's a coffin jewelry holder, so it's just like a little coffin, and you can put rings in it, you could put jewelry in it, you could put your keys in it, you could put really whatever you want in it. I don't really know how big it is. I think it's like the size of a hand, maybe a little bigger. And then this is a Gothic shell cross. You can do a bookmark, car hanging on a wall, tack it on a wall, make a ornament, since Christmas is kind of coming up a little bit, maybe a few months, 2 months away. This is a mosaic bones. It kind of looks like a table mat or table runner. Very cute. Another mosaic. A lot of mosaics in this one. This one's an anatomical heart. And then another mosaic for a black widow. Either a pillow. I guess you could make a blanket too. I think you just like extend the pattern kind of like a tapestry. So that's kind of cool. This one is a cobweb doily. Actually, that one's really cute. I kind of wish I did that for Halloween. For like, I don't know where I would put it. On like a table or something. But it's cute nonetheless. You can tell I'm not currently working on anything because I'm like thinking everything's cute. This is a bat curtain. This pattern is more like a fillet crochet pattern. So if you want to do like a little curtain or edging, it's fillet. And then if you're just wanting the grid for a tapestry, you can also use this as a tapestry grid as well. And make really whatever you want with it. And that is all 50 vampire crochet ideas. Like I said in the beginning, all of these patterns will be linked in the description box below in the order that I showed them to you, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so you can make everything that I showed you in this video. If you're planning on making one, hit the subscribe button, like this video if you liked it, and comment down below which one you're gonna make, or if you've made these before and you have some advice, or if you want us to steer clear of certain ones, or if something I've noticed you guys have been doing lately in these is plugging like other patterns. So if I do like a idea video, you're like, oh my god, this one would be perfect for this video and I didn't add it, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments and I will pin it. I don't know how many comments I can pin, but yeah. Put like, do you get what I'm trying to say? Let me form my words better. If there's a pattern that you think belonged in this video that I missed, add it to the comment section. And everybody, if you're looking for more ideas, look at the comment section. That's where they'll be. If you need more spooky type of crochet, I have a couple Halloween ones on my channel, like 5 of them, I'm pretty sure. Bunch of different kinds, costume crochet ideas, all of those. I will link all those videos at the top of the description box if you're looking for more ideas. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.